Empty your mind. Be formless, shapeless, like water.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and let's start the video. So let's talk about the news at first, and we are not having any high impact news into the market today. So the price could be range bound. Now let's move to the charts. So this is the monthly chart, and I have already zoomed it in. So what we were having was we were having this equal high into the price, and the price took this equal high and moved into the downward side, as I had been anticipating before in my multiple videos. This is how the price reacted to. Now what we have is that the price has moved below this previous swing high, which is a sign of a bearish momentum into the price. Now, what do we have is we are having this volume imbalance zone over here. So I'm anticipating that price have more reasons to come down. Now let's move to the weeklies. Now this is the weekly chart, and what we can see is that the price was pushing itself higher. We took this weekly swing high, and even in the previous week, the price closed below this previous swing high, which means that the price is bearish even in weekly. So the context is getting aligned with the monthly levels. Now let's move to before that. What do we have here is we have everything mitigated. So I have marked this as a liquidity pool level. So I'm anticipating that the price is going to come all the way down till this level. Now let's move to dailies. As we move into the dailies, what we see is that the price gets a little complex. What we see is that we are having this BPR, and we are having this FVG, which was disrespected by the market. And it is a significant FVG because the price was having this bullish order flow, and this FVG got respected just the previous day, that is the last day on Friday. So it will be a matter to see that if this FVG behaves as a resistance for the price, because here the order flow has switched. Now let's move to the 4 hours. Now this is from where the whole push came into the market, and it is unmitigated candle. So I'm treating it as an order block. uh, an invalidation of this particular candle will mean to me as that the price has switched its bias from bullish to bearish. So for now, it is the level which I'll be looking up to how the price reacts to. And apart from that, we are having, if we are seeing the price into the bullish side, what we are having is, if this is the level from where we see a bullish entry, this will be the target, because we have this confluence of inverted FVG, and I'll be removing it. And we are having this 4-hour FVG along with two equal highs. So uh, if we are going to move higher, I'll love to see the price tapping this level or this level to see a bearish reaction. Now, other thing which is marked here is this is the daily low sweep. So I'm still anticipating that the price is going to move into the higher side, and then we are going to see a downside reaction. Now let's move to the 1 hour. As we move into the 1 hour, what we see is that it is also marked on the 2 hour candle that we are having this unmitigated wick of the overall order block we were having, and we are having this equal high kind of a structure into the price. So if we are going to go higher and take this high, then only it will make more sense to me that the price is going to go down. Else, if this is disrespected, then I'll be looking for the price to go for this volume imbalance zone of the monthlies. Now let's move to the 15 minutes directly. 15 minutes is almost the same, because we are having this BPR or untapped BPR from where the price can possibly react to. Moving to the 5 minutes, it completes the context, that is, we are having Asia session right now. I'm waiting for the London session manipulation, and then we are going to see an upward move towards this 4H high or the FVG, and then possibly, yeah, I'll be anticipating that we are going to go down. Or there are two zones. I'll be marking it to make things more clear. I always forget. Yeah. So I'm anticipating now that in London, most likely we are going to sweep the Asia low. This is the extreme POI it will be. And we are going to move into the higher side, react till this level, or we can go further higher till this level of the overall structure, because it's still the almost 50% of this move. Let's mark it. Okay, it is a little tough, so I'll be directly marking here. So it will still be within the 50% range of the price. So it will be totally fair for the price to move into the higher side towards this goal. Uh, so for today's bias, I'm a bit bullish towards the price till the upside levels are mitigated. And then I'll be looking for the sale trades. So this is pretty much it. Do write me into the comments that what are your bias and how do you see the market right now. uh, Maybe I'm committing some kind of a mistake. Do let me know that what are the things I missed while marking the charts. So this is pretty much it. Thank you for watching.